otherwise serene Uttarakhand looks like this now, and almost all of this is entirely man-made. What's even worse is that some are doing it just for fun.
और हमारा काम यही है आग लगाना और आग से खेलना.
And after the video went viral, police arrested the three.
तीनों के खिलाफ हम लोग वैधानिक कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं. मेरी आपसे अपील भी है कि आप जिस तरीके से फॉरेस्ट फायर के केसेस सामने आ रहे हैं, आप कोई भी इसमें लीन ना हो, क्योंकि ये अपने आप में इससे वन संपदा को नुकसान होता है और ऐसा करने पर आपके खिलाफ या जो भी ऐसा कृत्य करता है उसके खिलाफ लीगल एक्शन लिया जाएगा.
Now this is among the 350 criminal cases lodged in connection to forest fires, and 62 people have been named. Deadly forest fires raging in Uttarakhand since April, especially around Nainital, Haldwani and Ramnagar forest divisions, and is only getting worse with each day. In fact, it has already claimed 5 lives. Over 1,000 incidents of forest fire have been reported from different places of the hill state since November 23. Out of which 68 happened between just May 6th and 7th alone. Now, Indian Air Force helicopters have also been roped in for assisting in firefighting efforts. As per data, nearly 95% of forest fires in India are initiated by human activities. Reportedly, forest fires have become an annual feature in Uttarakhand. Officials told TOI that locals sometimes ignite grasslands to clear areas for agriculture or livestock grazing, inadvertently sparking larger wildfires. The presence of dry leaves and highly flammable pine needles during the summers makes the fire spread much faster. Last season, the state saw around 773 forest fires, and this year the number is already close to 1,000. Now, the unusual lack of rainfall and less snowfall last winter has led to the fire affecting over 1,200 hectares of land as of now. Forest Department assessed a loss of over rupees 29 lakh due to this. Now, another cause that has been brought up to the Supreme Court is the land mafia. A petitioner mentioned that immediately after a fire, there is a land use change application filed before the authorities, saying a specific area had no forest left after the fire. So we know who is behind the fires, of course, the land mafia. Now, basically, it gets much easier to get environment clearance for a project, and the trees burnt earns crores in revenue. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court has tightened the noose on the Uttarakhand government and demanded immediate preventive actions. Can't sit idle and just rely on rain. Government must do something effective, said the Supreme Court. Now, this has obviously cast a shadow on tourism activities, especially during this summer vacation period. The situation had also turned chaotic for pilgrims in the Almora district. As the wildfires rage on in various forest areas of Uttarakhand, Chief Minister Pushkar Dhami has appealed to people for their cooperation.
वनाग्नि को शांत करने के लिए, आग बुझाने के लिए सभी विकल्पों पर हम काम कर रहे हैं. चाहे वो सेना की मदद लेनी हो, अन्य संस्थानों की मदद लेनी हो, लोगों को लगाना हो या इसमें कड़ाई करनी हो.
Meanwhile, the poor visibility has also restricted the Air Force's firefighting efforts. Residents of Mukteshwar have described the scenes as apocalyptic. Now, the IMD has predicted rainfall in the coming days, and locals are only praying for it to be true. Once again, this situation serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need to protect our forests and wildlife.